Good morning everyone. This is Bhavana. I am from Computer Science and Engineering Department. Today I am here to give a presentation on my CA2 assignment and my subject is operating system and my topic is file system interface. File system interface. This presentation covers the file system interface. We will explore how operating system manages files. We will also cover key system calls. This provides a structured way to manage data. This is crucial for software development. A file system is a method used by operating systems to store, organize, retrieve, and manage data on storage devices like hard devices, SSDs, and USBs, and memory cards. It decides how files are named and how they are organized, how they are stored on the disk, and how access to control. The main function of file systems are creation, deletion, and access. Types of file systems. There are two types of file systems, Windows file system and Linux file system. What is file system? A file system is essential for organizing and storing files. It resides on storage devices like hard devices or SSDs. Purpose is to provide a structured way to manage data. Naming assigning unique names to files, storage allocating space on the devices, retrieval access files when needed. File system interfaces. The file system interface is a set of system calls. These calls allow the OS to interact with the file system. This abstraction hides the complexity of underlying storage hardware, like open open the file, open close method close a file, read method reads data. File creation and deletion. A file creation means making a new file that stores data when the file is created the OS. It allocates space on the storage devices, assign a name and a location and update the file system directory structures. And deletion. File deletion means removing a file from the system. When you delete a file, the file data might still exist on the disk temporarily. The space is marked as free for future use. Reading and writing files. The open method called prepare a file for reading or writing. The mode detects the type of access, reads get data and write put it. Open method read write append. Read method get data, write method writes data, and close method releases. File pointers and seeking. The file pointer marks the current position in a file. The seek method call moves the pointer. This enables random access and editing. The pointer. File pointer is like a cursor or marker that tells the operating system where in the you are currently reading or writing to. When you open a file, the pointer starts at the beginning like byte equal to 0. As we read or write, the pointer move forward automatically. You can move manually it. This is called seeking. About seeking. Seeking means moving the file pointer to specific location in a file. Useful for reading or writing at a specific position. You don't have to read that whole file line by line. File attributes. File attributes are metadata associated with a file. Example include size, creation data, and permission. System calls like start method get these attributes: data, size, and permission. Directory structure. File system use a hierarchical structure with directories, path names, specified file or directory location. They can be absolute or relative. Directory. A directory structure is the way file or folder are organized in a operating system. It looks like a tree. The root is the starting point. Directory branch off from it. Files are stored inside the folders. These are of three types: root directories and files. Again, directories are divided into five types: single level directory, two level directory, tree structure directory, and acrylic graph directory and general graph directory. Examples of file system. Various file systems exist, each with unique character. FAT32 is simple and widely compatible. NTFS is more advanced, etc. 4 is common on Linux. FAT32 simple, compatible. NTFS advanced journaling. ext4 Linux and performance. APFS MacOS and SSDs. And conclusion. We cover the file system interface, system calls, and operations. We also touched on the directory structures. These are crucial of data management. Key points like interface calls and structure. Further learning, explore file system, importance, software development. And thank you.